How to restore Google Backup on Android data restore steps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy method. For that you guys will simply go to Photos app in your Android mobile. If you guys don't have that Photos app, you guys can download it from Play Store. So for Play Store you guys will simply click here. Now search for Photos. I will simply search here for Photos. Here you guys can see Google Photos. So simply install that app. Once you install that app, you guys simply click on that app in your Android phone. Once we click here, you guys can see on top right corner your Gmail icon. Like in my phone, you guys can see a with bell icon. So simply click here. Once we click here, you guys can see manage your Google account. Also on downside, you guys can see more from photos. Backup is off. So simply click on turn on backup. Once you click on turn on backup, you guys can see do not backup, turn on backup. So simply click on turn on backup, and once you do that, after that you guys will click on agree etc, and once all that done, that's it. Your photos and data will be start backing up. So that's how you guys can do Google backup. Thanks for watching.